Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on something big. We're talking about the one secret that top affiliate marketers almost never share. It's not about some complicated software or a secret traffic source. It's simpler, more powerful, and it's the absolute foundation of a six-figure affiliate business. Ready to find out what it is? Let's dive in. So, what is this big secret? It's this. The most successful affiliate marketers aren't just affiliates. They're product owners. That's right. They create and sell their own digital products. Now, before you click away thinking, I can't create a product, hear me out. This is easier than you think. And it's the key to unlocking a level of income and stability that pure affiliate marketing can offer. When you're just an affiliate, you're building someone else's empire. You're sending traffic to their pages, building their email list, and you're at the mercy of their commission changes or them shutting down their program. But when you own the product, you own the entire business. You control the pricing, the customer list, and your own destiny. This is the real path to long-term wealth in this industry. So, how do you actually do this? The first step, and the one that trips most people up, is building a clean, complete product page. Think of this as your digital storefront. It needs to be professional, trustworthy, and incredibly easy to navigate. This isn't the place for flashy, distracting animations or 100 different pop-ups. Simplicity sells. Your page should have a clear headline, a subheadline that explains the main benefit. A high-quality image of your product, even if it's just a digital mock-up, and a very obvious buy now or get access button. Everything a visitor needs to make a decision should be right there above the fold, meaning they shouldn't have to scroll to find the essential information. Remember? A confused mind always says no. Make your page so clean and clear that buying from you feels like the most natural next step. Now, let's talk about the product itself. This is critical. Your product must promise a clear, specific, and desirable result. Vague promises like learn to make money online are worthless. Nobody buys that. They buy a specific outcome. For example, instead of a generic promise, offer a step-by-step guide to earning your first $1,000 as a freelance writer in the next 90 days, even with zero experience. See the difference? It's specific. It has a timeline, and it addresses a common objection. People don't buy information. They buy transformation. They have a problem, and they want a solution that gets them from point A, where they are now, to point B, where they want to be. Your product is simply the bridge that gets them there. So, before you write a single word or record a single video, define the exact, tangible results your customer will achieve. This promise will become the core of your entire marketing message. Once you have that clear result, you need to weave it into your product description. A great product description isn't just a list of features. It's a story that sells the dream. You need to use a specific framework to make it irresistible. Start by agitating the pain point. Remind the visitor of the frustration they're currently facing. Then, introduce your product as the perfect solution, the magic pill for their specific problem. After that, you need to provide proof. This can be in the form of testimonials, case studies, personal results, or even data that backs up your claims. People are skeptical online, and proof is how you build trust. Finally, paint a vivid picture of what their life will look like after they use your product. Help them visualize the success and the feeling of accomplishment. This combination of pain, solution, proof, and future pacing creates a powerful emotional connection that makes people want to buy. So, let's break down that product description further. When you're describing the features, always translate them into benefits. A feature is what your product is. A benefit is what your product does for the customer. For example, a feature might be a 100-page PDF guide. The benefit is you'll have a complete step-by-step roadmap you can follow at your own pace to avoid confusion and costly mistakes. A feature might be 5 video modules. The benefit is you'll see exactly how I do it on screen, so you can copy my process without any guesswork. Always answer the customer's silent question. What's in it for me? Use bullet points to list these benefits because they're easy to scan. And don't be afraid to be bold. Use words that convey value and urgency. Your description is your 24/7 salesperson. So make it work for you. Now, let's talk about aesthetics, because they matter more than you think. You absolutely must use an eye-catching cover or banner for your product. We are visual creatures. The first thing people will see, whether it's on your sales page or in an ad, is your product's image. This image needs to scream high quality and value. A cheap, amateurish cover will instantly devalue your product in the customer's mind, no matter how amazing the content is. You don't need to be a graphic design genius. You can use tools like Canva to create professional-looking ebook covers, course banners, or product mock-ups in minutes. Use clean fonts, a strong color palette, and a high-resolution image. Your product's cover is its first impression, and you only get one chance to make it a good one. It should look like it's worth at least twice what you're charging for it. This small detail can literally double your conversion rate overnight. So, let's put it all together. You start by deciding to become a product owner, not just an affiliate. You create a simple digital product tan ebook, a short video course, a template pack that solves a very specific problem and promises a clear result. You build a clean, simple sales page that highlights this result. You write a compelling product description using the Paint Solution Proof framework, focusing on benefits over features, and you'll wrap it all up with a professional, eye-catching cover that makes your product look like a premium solution. This is the entire model. This is what the top earners are doing behind the scenes. They use affiliate marketing not as their main business, but as a way to build an audience. They can later sell their own products too. They might promote a software and then sell their own course on how to master that software. They control the asset, they control the customer list, and they keep 100% of the profits. This shift in mindset from affiliate to owner is the real secret. It's the difference between earning a few commissions here and there and building a real, sustainable, and scalable online business. It gives you an asset you can sell, a brand you can grow, and a customer base that trusts you. You're no longer just a middleman. You're the source. This is how you stop living commission to commission and start building real wealth. It takes a bit more work up front, yes, but the payoff is exponentially greater. You're building a foundation on solid rock instead of shifting sand. Think about it. Every top marketer you follow, every guru selling a course on affiliate marketing, what are they really doing? They are selling you their own product. They are practicing what I'm preaching right now. They built their authority and their wealth by creating and selling their own information products. The affiliate marketing part was just the beginning of their journey, a way to learn the ropes and build an initial audience. The real money, the real freedom, came when they launched their own offer. So why not learn from them? Why not skip the years of struggle and go straight to the model that actually works for the long term? You have unique knowledge and experience that someone else is willing to pay for. Package it, present it professionally, and start building your own empire today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been a major eye-opener for you. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button. And make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss our next video. Building your own product is the most powerful move you can make in your online business journey. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Drop a comment below and let me know what your first product idea is. I'd love to hear it. Until next time, keep building.